Hey, I'm Robert Christiansen. Thank you for joining me. My partner Devon, Wayt, and I decided to reinvent the whiteboard pens because we were so tired of the whiteboard experience and the pens that we always got to wherever we were going sucked. We wanted pens that worked, right? The tips were always crushed, the wrong color, right? They're all dried out. It's terrible. And so we said, hey, we need to bring our own tools, not just any tools. We need to bring tools that make a statement and that are reliable every time for a long period of time. That's why we invented Pallas Pens. There's 5 pens in this case. 5. Now you can say that's no big deal because they make them real teeny and stuff like that, but that's not how we did it. We made a normal size whiteboard pen here, but we have replaceable cartridges in it. Let me show you how this works. You unscrew the back end and you replace the cartridge with a replaceable one, and there's no mess, no ink that you got to pour into it, none of that kind of stuff like that, and it's good to go. And more importantly, it's 50% less plastic than those nearest competitors that you throw straight into the dump after someone leaves the cap off. Anyway, so we wanted to reinvent the whiteboard pen. We call it Pallas Pens. And when you're ready to go and write on the wall, and you want a message that you want to say, it's that Pallas Pens are great. Dot. You're good to go, and you can count on them. Go get them at pallaspens.com. You can get the 5-pen case or the 9-pen case, which has lots of colors in it. All right, thanks for joining us. Talk to you later.